How to allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Instagram, click on your profile located at bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then in here, scroll down till you find your account privacy. And make sure your account is not private. Make sure your account is public. After you have turned off your private account, simply go back and scroll down. Scroll down till you find sharing and reuse. Click on sharing and reuse. You'll find all these options pop up. Make sure you turn on all of the options. As you can see, allow people to share your content, allow people to add notes to your content, allow people to create with and reuse your content. Make sure you turn all this on and then you're good to go. This is how to allow people to share your post on their Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.